is a newly unveiled payment system developed by the BRICS Economic Alliance, representing a significant step towards financial autonomy and de-dollarization for the member nations. It will be a non-Western alternative to the SWIFT system, which has now become weaponized by the United States. Here are the key aspects of BRICS Pay. BRICS Pay is a decentralized and independent payment messaging mechanism system, developed by BRICS member states, Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa, and new members. It aims to facilitate cross-border payments and reduce reliance on Western financial systems, particularly the US dollar. Its key features are: blockchain technology. The system is built on blockchain technology, enhancing security and transparency. Multi-currency support. BRICS Pay allows for transactions in national currencies of member countries, reducing the need for US dollar intermediation. Digital assets. BRICS Pay incorporates digital financial assets, including BRICS tokens, NSRB, and central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. QR code payments. Users can make payments using smartphones and QR codes, simplifying transactions in both online and retail settings. Thus, the launch of BRICS Pay represents a major step forward. First, through de-dollarization, by reducing dependence on the US dollar for international trade and financial transactions. Second, through financial autonomy, by enhancing the economic sovereignty of BRICS nations, through the creation of an alternative to Western-dominated financial systems. Third, through trade facilitation, by streamlining cross-border payments and reducing transaction costs for member countries. BRICS Pay was officially unveiled at the BRICS Business Forum in Moscow, where participants received demo cards containing 500 rubles for use at the event. This marked the first public demonstration of the system's functionality. The successful implementation of BRICS Pay will challenge the dominance of existing international payment systems like SWIFT. BRICS Pay will accelerate the adoption of alternative currencies in global trade. And BRICS Pay will strengthen economic ties among BRICS nations and their allies. But how does BRICS Pay differ from SWIFT? SWIFT, Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunications, was established in 1973. SWIFT is a global messaging network that facilitates international money transfers between banks. It is heavily dominated by the US dollar and has been criticized for its role in enforcing economic sanctions. As we have noted, BRICS Pay was launched by the BRICS nations, Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa, and more recently expanded to include countries like Iran and Ethiopia. BRICS Pay aims to create a payment system that allows member countries to conduct transactions in their local currencies, reducing dependence on the US dollar, and increasing financial inclusion among its members. Here are 5 key differences between the two. 1. Control. SWIFT is controlled by the United States and its various Western vassals, while BRICS Pay is free of US control. 2. Currency use. SWIFT primarily uses the US dollar, while BRICS Pay will use the local currencies of member states. 3. Technological basis. SWIFT relies on traditional banking structures, while BRICS Pay uses blockchain for real-time translations. 4. Geopolitical influence. SWIFT is used as a tool to enforce sanctions, while BRICS Pay is designed to bypass sanctions. 5. Member participation. Over 11,000 financial institutions globally use SWIFT, while BRICS Pay is currently expanding, with interest from over 50 countries. Here are the main benefits of using BRICS Pay for international transactions. First, lower transaction costs. BRICS Pay aims to significantly reduce transaction fees associated with cross-border payments. Traditional systems often involve multiple intermediaries, each adding costs. By enabling direct peer-to-peer transactions through blockchain technology, BRICS Pay can minimize or eliminate these fees, making it more economical for users. Second, faster transaction times. The platform leverages blockchain technology to enable real-time settlement of transactions. This will drastically cut down processing times, which currently can take several days due to intermediary involvement. With BRICS Pay, transactions can be verified and settled almost instantly, meeting the speed demands of modern consumers. Third, enhanced security. Security is a critical concern in international payments. BRICS Pay incorporates advanced encryption and decentralized ledger technology, which offers a transparent and immutable record of transactions. This setup makes it difficult for unauthorized parties to alter data, thereby enhancing overall transaction security. Fourth, financial inclusion. Many individuals in BRICS nations lack access to traditional banking services. BRICS Pay will bridge this gap by providing a digital payment platform, accessible via mobile devices and the Internet. This will allow more people to participate in the global economy, especially in e-commerce. Fifth, reduced reliance on the US dollar. One of the significant advantages of BRICS Pay is that it will decrease dependency on the US dollar for international transactions. By allowing payments in local currencies, or a new BRICS-specific digital currency, called the unit, BRICS Pay will lower transaction costs and reduce exchange rate risks, while promoting financial independence among member nations. Sixth, increased transparency and trust. The use of blockchain technology enhances transparency in transactions. Each transaction is recorded on a decentralized ledger that is accessible to all parties involved, fostering trust among users and reducing the likelihood of fraud. The establishment of BRICS Pay will lead to broader economic shifts. As it facilitates trade among member countries and attracts other nations seeking alternatives to Western financial systems, BRICS Pay will bring about de-dollarization in global markets. This shift will challenge the long-standing dominance of the US dollar as the world's primary reserve currency, prompting a re-evaluation of international economic relationships. BRICS Pay represents a transformative approach to international payments by offering lower costs, faster processing times, enhanced security, and greater financial inclusion. BRICS Pay will reshape global financial interactions by providing a viable alternative to traditional Western-dominated financial systems. BRICS Pay is a system that the world, exhausted by the political ambitions of the United States, has long awaited.